So here we are at the grazing oats trial about 3 weeks after grazing. This was grazed on the 16th of June. So we've got our nil nitrogen plot here. You can see it's quite pale yellow and not a lot of regrowth there. We've got 50 litres of Flexi-N banded here. So again, it's run out of nitrogen. It's quite pale and not a lot of bulk. Moving up to the 100 litres of Flexi-N banded. Slight step up, but again we've got that real pale green colour and not a huge amount of bulk. Again, stepping up to the 200 litres of Flexi-N banded, so obviously a little bit more nitrogen in the system, holding on a little bit better, and yeah, a bit more bulk there. So we've got here 200 litres of Flexi-N banded with N-Tech. So it appears that the nitrogen potentially holding on for a little bit longer here as well. So we've got quite a bit more bulk and a bit better colour. And moving along, this plot here had nil nitrogen at seeding, but 50 litres of Flexi-N after the first cut. So you can see that fresh nitrogen has really grown a lot more bulk than the other plots. So it really highlights the need to get that nitrogen on after the first graze. So we've got 100 litres of Flexi-N here after the first cut. Again, a big step up in dry matter production, and really highlighting again that increase in production from the fresh nitrogen. 200 litres of Flexi-N after the first cut. 50 litres of Flexi-N banded, and then 50 after the first cut. So it'll be interesting to see how this one goes. Just drip feeding nitrogen throughout the season as the pasture requires it. So we've got 100 litres banded and 100 litres after the first cut. And then this is the top plot where we've had 100 litres of Flexi-N banded and 200 litres applied on the 16th of June after the first cut. So you can see there that huge step up in dry matter production. You can really pick the non-nitrogen plots there as well. So this will get cut within the next week, and we'll have another set of data to show you when that comes through.